So as you can see, I have opened ArcGIS. This is the basic interface of this software. I will go to the add option and I will import the folder in which I have placed the tiles. In order to process the data, you have to basically first import the folder in ArcGIS. You can see here there are a number of folders. I will be using 2020 Landsat data, Landsat 8 images. At this time I am mosaicing the bands of two different places. I will be choosing the band 5 of the first place and the band 5 of second place. As you will select, it will ask an option. You have to click the yes option and similarly do it for the other tile. It will take some time. As you can see, it has been imported in the ArcGIS software. I will add the second tile for another place and I will choose band 5. Now as you can see, I have imported two tiles and I want to mosaic these two tiles. So these are basically band 5 of Landsat 8 images. They have black rectangles around them which we don't want in our image. So we have to first remove these black parts around these both tiles. And for this purpose I will open the Arc toolbox. Arc toolbox is present in the toolbar menu. You can also bring this in ArcGIS software from this menu and you can search down and click yes on it, so it will appear in the box. I will click on it and when it will open I will set this as aside and I will go to the data management tools. Now in the data management tool I will search for the raster option and here it is, the raster option, and in this raster I will open the raster dataset and I will choose the copy raster option. I will activate the command by double clicking it. A pop-up will open on the screen and it will ask us to import the raster. So I will choose one of the tiles from the data and give it as input. Then I have to choose the location for where I have to export this data. I will create a new folder in my destination and will name it as land 1, representing the first tile. Then I have to specify an extension to the file that I have been saving. So I will type it as .tiff file in front of land 1. This will basically save the raster file in the TIFF form so that we can use it in GIS software. Then we have to move to the other options. I will select this option and bring it to 0, and moving forward I will have to select the pixel type. For the pixel type you can go to the properties of your tile and you can go to the source menu. Here you can see this pixel type of your tiles. There it is. It has given the unsigned, integer and 16-bit. So I will choose this option from in this menu, 16-bit unsigned, and then I will click OK. I have to follow the same procedure for the second tile and I will do the same steps. Now as you can see, it has processed the data and I will remove the previous files from ArcGIS, and these are our final data. You can see the rectangular black mark has been moved from the sides. So these were the steps we have done for removing the black sides. Now I have to mosaic these two tiles. So I will select this mosaic to new raster option and I will select both tiles as input. Then I will give the output location. You can create a new folder for this purpose and you can name as both tiles. Once you have specified the folder, now we have to give the name of the mosaic file, and for this purpose I will using the words mosaic final and I will also enter the extension .tiff. Then I will select the WSG 1884 from this menu and click OK. Moving forward, I have to choose another options for example, I have to enter the number of bands. As you can see, it has one band. I have selected only one band, so I will enter one, and remaining option will stay the same, and I will press OK. So as you can see, it has again given us the mosaic file for 2 tiles. So that was all for today. Thank you.